Hello everyone, Hemal here. First a quick disclaimer. Okay, now we're going to cover whatever stocks are left over. So we have 6 stocks left. So I started last week, coming with a list of stocks during the weekend, which are setting up for the following week, and then we go through the stocks and see how they look and if they set up and if they look like a good buys, and then we go through that exercise every week. That's how we can get some good ideas and hopefully make some money and investments down the road. Now, my mindset has been on the other accounts that market needs to correct a little bit. So with that mindset, I was very skeptical, very concerned about opening up new positions. So I haven't been opening up many positions, and the ones I opened, I closed at break even in most cases because they were not really working quick enough for me. So let's go over 6 stocks that are still left. These are the ones I kept on the list because they were still acting okay. So we're going to go over this 6. So we can see from probably 13, 14 stocks this week, and then probably same amount last week. We came down to 6 stocks which are still on the list. Some this week and some last week, and we could have still made some money on this because these are really good patterns that work most of the time. So Abbott was just flat today. So we nothing to do here. Stop remains there in my opinion. I raised the stop a little bit because at this point this should not fall under this recent low. So let's see if this breaks out. As long as market cooperates, we'll see what happens there. EDM, nice breakout today, higher than average volume. So I raised the stop here as well to 49.22, and we'll see how this runs, and then we'll continue to hold this one. APH, nice action today, up 2.49%, just about average volume. Let's see if there's a follow through tomorrow. So the stop, I believe I raised the stop a little bit to 126.86. PNR, just trying to break out, higher than average volume. Let's see how it closed today. So closed right at the top of the range. So if market cooperates, all of the stocks should work eventually. Not even eventually, pretty soon here, in my opinion at least. So let's see what happens. Rockwell Automation, this one had a humongous day here. Higher than average volume, was up 4.65%. So this one can go, meaning it's very close to all-time high. So it probably will definitely at least hit here, and then we'll have to see where we go from there. So as we can see, it is pretty much at all-time highs. And then last but not the least, SCI. So this one also had a pretty good day, higher than average volume, 3.07. Stop remains there. So let's see how these stocks work out and how we will manage trades. But these are the patterns I'm looking for. So if we go from the first stock here, let's start from the first stock again and see how the pattern is, right? Squeezing near 50, squeezing near 50, squeezing right above 50, squeezing near 50, squeezing near 50, squeezing near 50. So this pattern works. And you can easily see gains of 20, 30, 40%. I should say 10. Depending on what the stock is. Is it a growth stock? Is it a large cap, small cap? But this is a reliable pattern. If we just look at this and really become an expert on this pattern, I believe that can really help us trade successfully, invest successfully. Because every investment starts with an entry, every trade starts with an entry, and this can provide us with a low risk entry. So that is all I have. Let's see how these stocks move during the course of this week and future days. Again, I don't have position in any of these stocks, unfortunately, at this point. So I will continue to review, and I may, if I'm going to enter, I will always lay out my plan day before, and I always lay it out on a video the night before, or via a tweet or a stock tweet. So that's all I have. I hope everyone is doing well. Take care. Speak to you soon.